Sleep is fundamental to our health and quality of life. On average, we spend about a third of our lives sleeping. If we don't get good quality sleep, we suffer decreases in our vitality and performance of daily tasks. One of the most important factors in getting good rest at night is a quality mattress. A premium-grade mattress should last for quite a long time. It is commonly said that one's lifespan is generally 7 to 10 years. But just how long one can truly last can depend on a number of factors. In this article, we'll discuss different types of mattresses and how you will know when your bed could use an upgrade. Types of mattresses. There are many types of mattresses on the market today. There are memory foam mattresses like the Serta iComfort or the Australian-made Koala. There are the standard inner spring mattresses that most people will be familiar with. Tempur-Pedic, Casper, and Beautyrest offer hybrid mattresses that combine memory foam with inner spring technology. Purple offers an interesting open-cell foam mattress design that is quite unique. As an alternative to either spring or foam mattresses, there are air mattresses and waterbeds as well. There are also latex foam mattresses. Another option is to use a topper over a mattress. There are many of these toppers available on today's market. How do you choose what type to use? Does it really matter what type of mattress you choose to sleep on? Believe it or not, choosing a proper bed makes a huge difference in what quality of sleep you get. To choose the proper mattress for you, you must think about what position you sleep in most comfortably at night. Do you lie on your back or stomach? If so, then you might find that a more firm mattress such as an inner spring or hybrid type like those offered by Tempur-Pedic might be the right choice. Do you lie on your side when sleeping? If this is so, then you may end up finding that a softer mattress such as a memory foam or waterbed might end up being a good choice for you. Mattress performance can also be altered with changes to other components. Choosing a different box spring or frame can drastically change how a bed feels to you and what quality of sleep it will provide for you. Adding a pillow topper will also vastly change how it feels. Consider these options when making your decision. Choosing a right mattress that is right is directly related to how long said mattresses can last. If you should choose an improper mattress, then you will probably be far more likely to need to replace it much sooner than would be necessary otherwise. Getting a good average lifespan from your mattress partially depends on being pleased with whatever mattress you have chosen. Signs that it's replacement time. Even if you choose a great bed for you, time for replacement does inevitably arrive. There are some sure signs that you should get a new one. Knowing when to make that change will go a long way towards ensuring that you are as well rested as a baby in their crib. If your mattress is over 10 years old, then it has probably reached its maximum life expectancy. This number may vary based on a few factors such as body weight and usage, but on average, a bed seldom lasts much longer than that. If yours is older than 10 years, then it's probably time to think about replacement. If you often wake to find yourself sore, then you should choose to replace. Without healthy rest, you'll spend a lifetime of groggy days and unrecognized potential. Listen to your body and replace your mattress if it has reached its maximum life expectancy. Does your bed make squeaky and creaky sounds? If so, then it's probably reached its maximum life expectancy. These noises can be indicative of worn-out components. Replacement is more than likely going to be necessary at this point. Do you notice that your allergies bug you when you wake up in the morning? This could be caused by allergens trapped inside your mattress. If this is so, then you may want to think about replacement. When looking at your bed, do you notice components that are visibly worn out? Obviously, your best rest won't be achieved on a bed in this condition. You should replace it as soon as possible in this case, since it is well past its maximum life expectancy at this point. You generally get what you pay for. A higher quality bedding option will almost invariably last much longer than their cheaper alternatives. There are a number of reputable bedding manufacturers on the market today. Koala, Sealy, Tempur-Pedic, Beautyrest, Purple, and Casper all offer high-end options. There are, however, many others as well. If you choose to go with a cheaper alternative, then you must keep in mind that the lifespan expectancy will be shorter. Any money saved in this manner may be offset by hassles that inevitably come with replacement efforts. Oftentimes, you really do get just what you pay for.